The do's and don'ts of B2B lead generation for software services development companies. B2B lead generation is a critical component of the sales process for software services development companies. Here are some do's and don'ts to help you improve your B2B lead generation strategy. Do's. Do define your target audience. It's important to know who your ideal customer is, what their pain points are, and what they're looking for in a software services development company. Do offer valuable content. Offer valuable content that educates potential clients about the software development process, the latest technology trends, and how your company can help them achieve their goals. Do use multiple channels. Use multiple channels to reach your target audience, such as email marketing, social media, content marketing, and paid advertising. Do track your results. It's important to track your B2B lead generation efforts to see what's working and what's not. This will help you adjust your strategy accordingly. Do follow up. Once you've generated a lead, it's important to follow up in a timely and personalized manner to keep them engaged and move them closer to a sale. Don'ts. Don't buy email lists. Buying email lists may seem like an easy way to generate leads, but it's not a sustainable strategy. Not only is it unethical, but it can also damage your reputation and result in low-quality leads. Don't focus solely on quantity. While it's important to generate a lot of leads, it's more important to focus on the quality of your leads. High-quality leads are more likely to convert into paying customers. Don't be too pushy. While it's important to be proactive in your lead generation efforts, you don't want to come across as too pushy. Give potential clients the space to make a decision without feeling pressured. Don't ignore your existing customers. It's important to maintain strong relationships with your existing customers, as they can be a great source of referrals and repeat business. Don't neglect the importance of personalization. Personalization is key in B2B lead generation. Take the time to understand your potential clients' needs and tailor your messaging and content accordingly.